In this tutorial, I will guide you how to turn off your Kindle Paperwhite. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now, if you do open your Kindle Paperwhite, it will tell you here, swipe to unlock. So I'm going to unlock it. Now, once you unlock your Kindle Paperwhite, it will come to the home page. Now, if you do want to turn it off, if you hold it on the Kindle Paperwhite, you can see there is a button here. So next to the charging port, if you hold this button just for a few seconds, you can see a notification which says, please select from the following options. There is cancel, restart, and screen off. So if you want to turn it off, just select here on screen off. And then your Kindle Paperwhite will turn off. Now, one thing you'll notice from the Kindle Paperwhite is different from the tablets or mobile devices, that only the screen will go off. So if I just close this cover here from my Kindle Paperwhite, and then if I just open this cover, you can see the Kindle Paperwhite will just turn on. So the screen will only go off, and that's how you can turn off your Kindle Paperwhite. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.